Wow, guys, oh my god, check out the agency power exhaust. It's super light, guys. Just
It's gonna take a long time.
whoa. All right, guys, here we go. Agency power titanium exhaust.
What's going on, everybody? It's me, Danny. This morning I just got a text message from the HTL Danny. Anyway, I just want to show you guys. There's a 3 cop in front of me. There's 1. Sorry about the shake. 2, 3. There's a 3 cops in front of me escorting my Ferrari. Anyway, so I'm on my way to HTL. He just got my exhaust today. You guys all know actually I love titanium exhaust, right? So I order agency power full titanium exhaust. Anyway, today's vlog is sponsored by agency power. This is my first video with a sponsor actually today, you know. So when I bought my Scuderia, I had a sponsorship for my exhaust from multiple company. I got it from IPE, I got it from FI, Fabspeed, Agency Power, so all those bunch of companies, you know. I think there's only Agency Power is the company who makes the full titanium X pipe. So I actually choose Agency Power to put the X pipe in my Scuderia, and HTL just received it today. So I'm on my way to the HTL right now, and Wes is on the way. We're gonna make some sick vlog and the good footage of the sound today. As soon as we get the header and test pipe, we'll install and let you guys hear the full system like sound though, you know. I think it's gonna be still pretty loud with just changing the exhaust, you know. Like, we'll see how it goes. Peace. We're at the HTL Motorsports. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
What's up, Danny?
Oh, what do we have here, Danny? What's up, man? What's up?
130.
Oh, wow. I like this tape, man. It looks impressive. Well, let's see what we got here. You guys aren't ready for this. Y'all ain't ready. Put my hand in the peanuts.
What is in here? Huh?
Oh, looks like a present. It's Christmas. Whoa, it's deep in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, you found one.
Whoa.
Is it titanium tips?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow.
Dude, look at that. Oh my god.
Oh, it's still like it's not blue yet because it's
Yeah,
gonna
when it
get
gets hot.
Yeah, when it gets hot, it's gonna change colors.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Go ahead, man.
Oh my
Dig in
God.
there, bro. Don't make a mess.
Oh yes, baby. I like this film. Oh my god, where is it? I can't even find it.
Just get in, jump in. Yes.
Bro, what the heck? I found a present, bro. Huh? Oh.
Wow.
Whoa. Whoa. It doesn't weigh anything. It doesn't weigh anything. It doesn't weigh anything, bro. Wee! Wee! Whoa. I like you feel it.
Oh shit. Hella light.
Dude.
What the hell?
What the? It doesn't weigh anything. Oh my god. Look at the welds. Whoa, look at that. Oh my god. That's beautiful, guys. Check out the welds.
Damn,
Amazing.
they're killing it.
Agency power, guys. Wow, guys. Oh my god. Check out the agency power exhaust. It's super light, guys. Just. Oh my god. But yeah, guys, oh my god, the exhaust is so light and the craftsmanship on the welds look crazy. Check this out, guys. We're burning the tips right now, so it changes blue. Wow, agency power. What's going on, guys? This is your boy Wes back on the vlogs. We're here today at HTL in San Jose. We're here with Danny and his 430 Scud. You guys won't believe what we got in store, guys. As you saw in the shop, the agency power titanium rear section for the Scud has been unboxed, and this thing is going to sound amazing. Just check it out, guys. You see this rear section? this rear section all behind the carbon fiber, guys. All that's coming out, and it's gonna just be one titanium straight pipe. I can't wait to hear how it sounds, guys. Like, I cannot stress it up. I cannot wait to hear how it sounds. It's gonna be amazing, guys. But meanwhile, check out the welds on this exhaust. Wow, guys, and that is the Agency Power titanium rear section for the 430 Scud. Thank you guys, Agency Power, for making this exhaust. It is going to be incredible. The craftsmanship looks absolutely amazing, guys. Thank you so much. They even got Agency Power on the tape here. Guys, check it out. We got Danny analyzing the exhaust. Little fun fact, if it's real titanium and you get oil on it before it changes color,
Right there.
look right there. It's gonna be like that forever. All right, check it out. Danny just cleaned off the exhaust and then he's torching it right now, the tips. Oh, it's getting there, it's getting there. Ooh, you see it? It's turning red, guys. There comes the blue. Danny just finished burning the tips. Check it out. Check it out, guys. From this to this. That is freaking beautiful, guys. Real titanium. Only from Agency Power, guys. Alright, guys. 5 more minutes, I promise. We're gonna pull the Scud into the shop and get started on the exhaust. But first, we're gonna think a little revs, guys. Think a little revs. Danny here, reversing the car. Reversing the car. Alright, guys. He's gonna pull the car into the shop and calls for a little revs, guys. Little bit. Alright, guys, and that is the stock exhaust on the 430 Scud. We're gonna install the titanium from Agency Power, and we're gonna see how it sounds, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, so there's actually a few more exhaust pieces coming. It's gonna be headers and a test pipe, which will resonate the Agency Power exhaust even more, which you guys are about to hear in a few hours here. Crazy stuff coming. Wow, guys, check it out. There's purple rings on this thing. Look, purple ring, purple ring, purple ring. That's what both of these are gonna look like, guys. Absolutely crazy. Hey, Danny, I got you a gift.
Really?
Yeah, cause no, it's not a Supreme one.
Bro, I don't.
It was just a joke. Check it out, guys. So what are we doing here?
You gotta change this exhaust right here.
Damn, I'm gonna put this on offer up right now. All right, guys, we have Danny right now prepping for the install of the Agency Power titanium rear section. It's gonna get done soon, guys. It's gonna get done soon. So check it out, guys. He's going to be removing all of this. Oh my God, it's already out? Whoa. Oh my God. Wow.
20 pounds.
Can you believe that this little box weighs like 20 pounds? Dude, weight reduction right now with Agency Power titanium exhaust, guys. Agency Power! Whoa. Saving weight, bro. Do you guys notice it? Wow, guys, oh my God. Look at the tip, guys. Holy. Here is the Agency Power titanium tip. Here's the stock tip, guys. That is a night and day difference. Look at that, guys. Get rid of your stock tips, go with Agency Power. Gotta do a little test fitting here, huh, Danny? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Get a little zoom in action. Oh yeah. Woo! 1 hour into install. No more fat muffler. Say goodbye to that junk. Say hello to agency power, guys. All right, guys, here we go. Agency power titanium exhaust. Ready, guys? Here we go. Whoa! Oh, shit! Sounds like F1, like, oh freak, that's what you need, bro. Thank you so much to Agency Power for this freaking titanium exhaust. It is so amazing, but we need it here at the Fly-bys. It's time to take the Ferrari out of the shop. That's an ISF. Those are pretty rare nowadays and sound really good. But this sounds better. Wow, guys. That sounds incredible. Look at the blue tips in the daylight. It's crazy. Oh, God. Oh my God, I had to cover my ears.
Damn, it's loud.
Ah, even Danny thinks it's loud.
Oh, shit.
That's hella loud. Oh my God. Wow. Agency Power titanium rear section. Sounds amazing. Woo! Thank you to Danny at HTL for installing the Agency Power titanium exhaust on the Scud. Thank you, brother. You're the best. All right, so that was the install. We're gonna go head over and run just a few errands, and we're gonna go head over to the warehouse, and then hopefully we'll get some pulls. Alright guys, just did a few pulls, but we're gonna get better pulls later, but I need you guys to remember what I said about the exhaust, and boom! Oh my Lord! Holy titanium! Oh my God, guys!
We're about to test our new exhaust today. I mean, it's pretty late, but you know, it's gotta actually finish the vlog and update you guys. Oh, anyway, there's a Wesley's Supra with a new bigger turbo, pure 800. Man, like it sounds bubbles, sounds good. So actually, you know, it's not tuned yet, but he's gonna tune it. I think he told me that like he can push pretty much like 700 on the wheels. We'll see actually how he does though.
Alright guys, so back in Danny's garage, we got the 430 Scud here with the Agency Power exhaust on, and oh my God, we're gonna do some flybys right now. So here we go. Let's get a little cold start. Hold on.
this sounds good. Wow. That's f***ing crazy. Guys, that sounds f***ing amazing. Wow, guys, this sounds f***ing amazing. Agency power, you guys killed it. Whoo! Oh my god. Wow, just letting you guys know, this is actually, you know, stock header and test bike. We only changed the rear end, you know, rear section. Thank you, Agency Power. This is one of the best exhaust sound I ever had in my life. Thank you, appreciate. Just putting back the car, I'm going home. All right, guys, we're about to finishing this vlog today. I'm just gonna hand it to Wes, since, you know, Wes was doing all the work on today's vlog, so I'm gonna let him finish this vlog. Okay, guys?
By the way, guys, stay tuned for headers and X-Bike. Holy, oh my god!